Unit 4, Lesson 4. This is part of the lesson where we'll talk about hypotenuse leg. So let's review some information first. A right triangle is a triangle with one right angle. Right? On a right triangle, the hypotenuse is the side opposite or across from the right angle. It is the longest side of the triangle, and only right triangles have a hypotenuse. This is why hypotenuse leg can only be used for right triangles, and we must state that the triangles are right triangles before we can use hypotenuse leg. And we'll come back to that again at the end, but I want to stress that right now. Only right triangles have a longest side called a hypotenuse. So the other sides of the triangles that are not the hypotenuse are called the legs. So on the right triangle above, let's label the hypotenuse, which is opposite that 90-degree angle. That is the longest side of the right triangle. And then we have one leg, and we have another leg. And it doesn't matter which leg I use for hypotenuse leg, as long as it is the same in the other triangle, the corresponding side in the other triangle. So, hypotenuse leg triangle congruence. When two right triangles have a hypotenuse, both have their hypotenuses congruent, and a leg congruent. So in this case, we've marked AB and DE. We could have also had BC and EF. It doesn't really matter. I could have had those instead of AB and DE, but not two legs, because then we can use side angle side. So a leg and a hypotenuse, and knowing that these are right triangles, stating that these are right triangles, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent. So again, only right triangles have a hypotenuse called name for their longest side. And in order to use hypotenuse leg congruency method, we must first state that the triangles are right triangles. If we don't state that, that is missing, that would be something that would be incorrect in our process. And so we must make sure that we state that first from the information that we're given. Right? If they give you a little square in there, we can state, okay, this triangle is a right triangle. It has a right angle in it, or definition of right triangle. And we'll see how this is used in the proofs to come.